Welcome to Journaling for Transformation. Today is day 3. I'm your guide, Maureen Teaches, and the topic is what are my hopes, dreams, and or goals for the year ahead? So no matter what day of the year it is, I don't care if it's, September, August, July, you still can start new. So I want you to think about where you're going to be in a year from now, or what things you want to happen over the next year. Maybe, you want something big. Maybe you want to get pregnant and have a baby. Maybe you want to buy a new house. Maybe you want to move to another place, another country. Maybe you want to take a huge trip. Maybe you want to see your child graduate from college, or maybe you want to get a new job or start your own business. These are huge, huge things, but they can also be small things. Maybe you want to learn how to start surfing, or maybe you want to start cycling or exercising, so that you're consistent with your exercise program. These are, big or small things that could happen this year, that could happen in 365 days from now. So I want you to get jazzed up and think about what are your hopes, dreams, and goals for the year ahead.